Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you how to place the pressure sensor on the Samsung washer. We'll need a couple different tools for the job. We'll leave those listed in the description below. Let's get started. If you're receiving an OE overflow error or IE water level sensor error, you may have a failed pressure sensor on your washing machine. A failed pressure sensor can cause the washer to not fill properly or cause the washer to overfill, which may cause flooding. For this repair, unplug or disconnect power to the washer. With access to the back of the washer, the first thing we'll need to do is remove the back cover by removing these 6 Phillips screws. With the screws removed, slide one of your hands underneath and insert a thin tool like a knife to pry the locking tabs. With the locking clips released, tilt up and out to remove. Next, remove the 2 Phillips screws on the control panel. With the screws removed, you can tip the control panel forward. Now we will need to remove this back cover panel by removing the 4 Phillips screws. Then slide it up and tilt the bottom out and pull down to remove. Next, remove the Phillips screw on this panel. Then pivot and pull out to remove. Now depress the locking clamp on the pressure hose and slide it off the connector. Then pull the hose off. You'll need to reuse this clamp, so make sure you slide it off the hose and set it aside. With the hose disconnected, you'll want to make sure the connector is free of any obstructions. A clog can cause issues with the washer not having the proper water level. Next, remove the hose from the retaining clips by pushing on the tab and pulling the hose out. Also, undo the wire tie by untwisting it. Now, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Next, remove the pressure sensor by gently pulling on one of the locking tabs and removing it. If you have a bad pressure sensor and you need to purchase a new one, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. To install the pressure sensor, start by feeding the hose through the opening. Then align the hose and gently press it down until it locks in place. Next, reconnect the electrical connector. Now, feed the hose through the retaining clips and redo the wire tie. Next, slide the locking clamp on the hose and slide the hose back onto the connector until it seats correctly. Then, put the locking clamp back in place. Make sure the hose is not pinched and does not have any kinks. Now, reinstall the smaller cover panel by inserting the tabs first, then pivoting it and reinstalling the screw. Reinstall the back cover panel by inserting the top tabs at an angle, tilting the bottom down, sliding down, and installing the screws. Next, flip the control panel back in place and install the 2 screws. Next, install the cover panel by inserting the top at an angle, rotate down, align the side locking tabs, and push to lock them back in place. Then, reinstall the Phillips screws. Now, plug the washer back in and test it out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.